Hello everybody. So today we will learn that how to make a woman in Paint 3D. So let's start Paint 3D. I had made a woman already, so let's see that. So we will make our woman like this. So I will make a woman near this woman. So go to the 3D shapes, choose woman and paste it. Now you will zoom in, go to the brushes tool and pick pencil. Increase the thickness, choose black color and start making the border of the hair. Don't color it, only make the border. The border is done. Let's open marker and start painting. Oh, increase the thickness. Oh, it's much bigger. So we will make it a little thin and then again it's big. I think 20 will be the best. Uh, yeah, it's now good. Mm. Now for the skin part. There is no color named skin, so we will use the gold color. Yeah, the color is spread over the hair. So we will make the color black, make it thin up to 17 or 13 px, and then start it. Oh, from here and here done. And erase this part. Now for the stickers and more. Going to the stickers part. If you want to give eyes, then choose the eyes. I want to give sunglasses, so I will choose the sunglasses option. Paste it here. it's good. And then give a smiley face here, here, a bit up. Now the face is done. Let's zoom out and see. So now I think I would make the hats. The hand is also in skin color, so I will choose the golden color and start it. And don't forget one thing, that you should need to color the back side also, but I am not coloring it, but you will color it. And to color the back side, wait, done. Yeah, to color the back side, here it is, the free rotation handle. You can rotate it like this. Look, is it good? Here is the back side, but I'm focusing on the front side only. Let's zoom out. The hand is also perfect. Now for that shirt, I want to make an exact copy, so I will make it pink only. To the pink color, make it a bit thicker to 60. Yeah, it's good. Oh, hand really looks perfect. Zoom in. Decrease the thickness. Choose the golden color. Yeah. Here. This color. When you have done up to this, then you will zoom out. No, not zoom out. Let me correct this part. This color, no. And the golden color, make it done. Now you will zoom out. Look, is it good? So you will increase the thickness. I think 100 pixels will be the best. Yeah, done. Now for the shoes. I think the brown color will be the best for the shoes. And then decrease the thickness. Yeah, the brown color is the best. Now there is a design on the shirt, so I will not use the cloud shape. I will use the planet shape. Let's zoom out, zoom in, not zoom out. And everyone will ask one question, that how did I get Paint 3D app in Windows 11? So I'm saying I got the Paint 3D app in Windows 11 by using the Softonic website. Let me show you. Open the browser in your laptop or search Softonic. Here it is. Open, and you can get any kind of app like search Gemini. Enter. Here it is. You can get, open it. Yeah, you can sign up here or login. And other apps like Paint. Paint is a Windows 10 app. So let me search, look, Paint 3D MS Paint. You can get anything. So let's get back to our lesson. Oh. Yo. That's pretty good. Now it's done. And your woman is completed. Look. And one another thing, in the next video I will post how to make a man. Here is a man. I've made a man also. Look. Dog, cat, donut, fish. I've made many things. Here's the man. Oh, let me save. It will take a bit time. Here it is. Yeah, I've used the same design since. So I think we should end our lesson now. Wait, let me arrange these things. Done. So ending our lesson in 3, 2, 1. Bye bye.